Limoges is a small community, located approximately 35 kilometers east of Ottawa. It is a multilingual, friendly, safe, and volunteer-driven neighborhood, featuring a dynamic landscape. Limoges is an attractive tourist destination, showcasing the peaceful Larose Forest that offers world-class recreation, trails for every season, as well as the magnificent Calypso Theme Waterpark, that features Canada's tallest waterslide and largest wave pool, as part of an extensive summertime activity. Specialists in renovating homes, Ottawa Home Pros are able to meet your needs for small or large projects. Interior works, paint, bathrooms, kitchens, basement, additions, whole house. Exterior works, patio, deck, painting, landscaping. We are expert contractors in construction and renovation, known for professionalism in every aspect of home remodeling, competitive home construction and renovation cost, completing construction or renovation projects within specified timelines. Our home renovation and improvement services in Limoges include home additions, as well as customized home interior and exterior designs. Call us today at 613-288-9145 for your next home improvement project, and our home run renovators will give you a hand.